Hi guys! In this lesson we'll be adding a fog. The process is different in Corona and V-Ray, so I will show you both methods. Let's start with Corona. I will add a box, which will be a volume for the fog. It will speed up the calculations. Make sure it covers the whole scene and it's high enough. The camera has to be outside the box though. I will click Alt plus X to be able to see through it. It's also a good idea to display it as a box to be able to select other objects easily. To create a fog, let's create a Corona volumetric material and apply it to the box. The distance value 0 disables the effect completely, but in general the lower distance values will make the effect stronger. I will start with 10 meters. In scattering, we can set the color, which is the strength and color tint of the volumetric scattering, inside the material. Each time light scatters inside the material, it multiplies by this value. Black means that the effect is disabled. Let's set it to something around 240. Okay, now by controlling directionality, we can influence the sort of the sharpness of the fog. So if we go with 0.5 for instance. Absorption is controlled by setting the color. In order to achieve a clear haze, we need to set the color to more white, but not pure whites, as it will make the haze disappear. Awesome! Now let me show you how to do it in V-Ray. To turn on the fog effect, go to the environment and add the V-Ray environment fog effect. Let's start by turning on the Scatter GI option. It will make a fog more realistic. Then, let's change the fog distance. Similarly, like in Corona, the shorter the distance, the more dense the fog. Fog transparency controls how strong the effect is. Black color will give you a solid fog, while white will make a fog fully transparent, so invisible. I will make it a light gray. The fog color is simple. It controls the color of the fog. I will make it almost white. I will increase the height of the fog slightly. If you don't want to use global illumination, you can try to use fog emission. It will fake GI and will make a fog darker or brighter depending on the color. We have the Scatter GI option turned on, so it doesn't affect the image. That's it. See you in the next lesson.